ang gaganda naman ng mga suot
Yes,
nyo.
grabe. At ang bango, grabe, namin ko agad.
Grabe, mahalimuyak sila.
Mahalimuyak.
So can you tell us something about your, nakasuit
Full
ka,
outfit.
'di ba? Hindi siya naka-gown, naka-power suit. Sino yung designer mo?
I styled it for myself. Opo. Even the hair and makeup, yeah.
Wow.
Accessories, yeah.
Grabe,
my concept.
all in one.
You did a great job. You look
Thank you.
good. You also look fabulous. Sino yung designer ng gown mo?
I'm wearing Debbie Ko and styled by Patty Yap.
Wow, grabe.
Are you looking forward to anything tonight?
Siyempre, yung baka ma-meet ko yung mga friends ko, makapag-bonding kami, and makakain.
Mukhang matagal na kayo hindi nag-meet, no? Bonding tonight, bonding
Yes.
time.
Yes, magbabonding tayong lahat mamaya. So thank you for joining
so
us and we'll
much.
see you later.
Inside.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, of course, magbigay pugay kay Miss... Ay,
Alisin
sorry.
mo daw siya.
Sorry, Miss Cheryl Cruz.
Oh, hi
Wow,
po.
you look so
Hello po.
fabulous,
Looking
Miss
so
Cheryl.
dashing
I
tonight.
love
Mga
it.
kapuso.
Grabe.
Thank you so much.
Oh my
And you-
gosh, can you share with us po yung inspiration
Yes.
behind your gown? Who is your
Inspiration.
designer?
Actually, the designer is none other than Mon Montes, a 25-year-old designer, very
Wow.
creative.
Yes.
And then Zia is my stylist. And I'd like to thank also the assistant stylist, si Franz. Sila ang bumuo ng look na ito.
Ang
Wow. And
ganda.
they did a
Ng
very
look
good
na
job.
to. And I'd like to thank, of course, my makeup artist, si Che, and my hairstylist, si Ruben. And of course, I'd like to thank Love Tari for the accessories and also Lady Bug Manila for the bag.
I love it, Miss Cheryl. It really takes a village talaga, no, para ma-achieve. You looking
This whole
regal.
look. I know. Are
Thank
you looking
you so much. I
forward?
went for the classic look.
I
Is there
love
something
it.
else na nilook forward nyo tonight?
Well,
The most.
of course, the party time.
party?
The party time with everyone
Everybody's-
here. Yeah. I know that everyone worked so hard, so it's time for us to have a party.
Yes, that's right. We deserve a break, diba? And a drink.
Yes.
Charot.
Yes.
Pero mamaya yan. So thank you so much, Miss Cheryl.
Yes,
Thank
thank
you
you
so
very
much.
much. And I'm
Enjoy
also
the
looking
night.
forward to seeing everyone dun sa Lilet Matias production party
Love
here
it.
tonight.
Oo. Thank you
you.
so much
Thank you
po.
so much.
Salamat.
Maraming salamat.
See you inside po.
See you inside.